everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a LEGO review of LEGO set 60160 and it's the LEGO City Jungle Mobile Lab set. As you can see, this is the mobile lab. The door can open here and you get 4 minifigures with, see, and you get the waterfall with the crocodile. And you get this Venus flycatcher with a spider inside. And you get this beautiful canoe and the oars, and you get a camera in as well. And this plant piece can move. See? You get this beautiful crocodile, and you can actually move it, that the crocodile's head sticks out of the water. See? Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.